Module 3, National. Natutunan ko ang theory ay mahalaga para maipaliwanag ang crime at behavior ng tao. May iba't ibang stages ng theory tulad ng speculative, descriptive, at constructive. Nakita ko ang classical at neoclassical school. Ang classical school ay naniwala sa free will ng tao at dapat ang neoclassical naman ay isinalang alang ang mga sitwasyon tulad ng edad, mental lines, and environment. O, yan. Ang batas ay rule of conduct para sa kapakatanan ng lahat. Criminal justice system at binubuo ng police force at correction ng police force at correction na layunin ay bigyan ng justisya at biktima at magkasala. Ayusin ang mga magkasala. Natutunan ko ang iba't ibang approaches kung bakit may crime tulad ng logical, physiological, psychological, at iba-iba't ibig sabihin maraming factors kung bakit nagkaroon ng krimen. Daghan kay mga posible na ahagi ka ng krimen. Katong istorya karon mo to. So natutunan ko ang iba't ibang approach kung bakit may crime tulad ng logical o religion ko mahalaga ang criminology kasi may maintindihan natin hindi lang batas at kundi pati ang tao at lipunan. So, saan na? So, goodbye. Yun by Cesar Bianca at Italian Jaris and Jeremy Bedman ay written principles Crewell, Jusin, Neoclassical, Italian at City Waves School. Just receive final code. So, sa Philippines daw, first na to ay Philippines Forces of Criminal Law. Natay tulo ka receive final code. Atong receive final code ay ACNO 3815,000 and each academic. So, natay mga special penal law, peace and Philippine Communication, Philippine Assembly, Philippine Legislature, National Assembly, Congress at the Philippines and the batasan na pambansa. Penal President decrees issues during martial law. So, concept justice, criminal justice, improving justice to crime criminals is also focused on the criminal provides moral support the victims and prevention of other crimes. The system of criminal justice includes primary institutions like law enforcement, prosecution, course correction, and the community. In-explain na ako nila sir. Pinauna na ako ibasa. So, itong bait background ra. Zone 6. So, approaches in the study of the existence of crime. So, biological, citric, physiological, and sociological, geographical, demographical, 7, epidemiological, ecology, economic, victimology. So, siguro si biological believe that criminal behavior is intended identified to physical characteristic of criminals. Believe daw siya. So, X, Kalihika family, all this descendants 24 first 60 babies, 7 mothers, 40 others criminal, 40 general research, and 50 prosecutions. So, Si Kwandong, social theory, signed 2007, theory service as model framework for understand human behavior and the focus that from is the base verified social fact and really observed phenomena that can be missed. Theory of social theory. The one daw, mga following are three stages of behavior development. So, ang ato ang three behavior ay one ay ato ang the three stage of theory ay one speculative, descriptive, constructive of ano. Sa the main purpose of theory is to provide the means of develop material, holistic, and descriptive models that predict. Again,